Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are gonna play blox with my friend, that guy Jaden.
Get out of the boat!
And
Get out of the sea! Go! Get out! This is a hostage situation.
and also, guys, today we are gonna. Bro, stop!
I love going discussing.
We need. I will be doing the whole quest line to get the shipwright quest, which you can repair your boat. So I'm gonna do the whole quest line for you guys to see, but I think it's gonna be a 1 hour video, or maybe even 2 hours. So I will skip some part.
Skip the part where this guy talks.
What bro laughing at?
Not that mean, guys. It's just joke. It's just joke. Wait. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. I want guys and what is not.
Where bro going?
You're not even moving the boat.
You call me to move the boat, bro. Just get on, bro. You can't outrun a boat.
Yes, I can.
You can't.
Yes, I can. Come, I'll try right now.
Okay. What the?
I outrun the boat. Are we even in the danger level yet?
No. Bro, stop blocking my way.
I'm just going in front.
Your magma is blocking.
Oh.
Gosh.
Once we go to danger level, I'm gonna jump on the boat.
Okay, I think we already reached danger level because I can see rocks now.
Wait, the rock mountain.
Yay, none. Our danger level is none.
No, it's not nice. I don't like that.
Okay. Once we get to the danger level, question mark, it's gonna get a little bit crazy.
No, it's not.
Okay. Danger level 1.
Oh, low.
Why is that so? Why that rock so big?
You know what else is big?
What?
Nothing.
Okay. Well, what if I shoot cannon at the rock? But I just missed. Yo, let me shoot that rock. Bruh. It don't even let me shoot.
Medium.
Okay, nice. Danger level 2.
Oh, there isn't anything yet. I dare you to crash into the rock.
Oh, hey, Yona. Wait. Shark is here.
Oh, there's 2 sharks.
Actually, there's 3.
What's that?
Okay.
What's that?
Oh.
There's one over here.
You can't destroy our boat. Oh my god, I got shark tooth.
Well, you just killed all the shot, man. Oh,
Now, both turn our instinct on. Because it's hard to tell when the shark is here.
okay, so we only got three. So we got three sharks. How many to kill?
No, we need. Oh wait, we need. I need oh my god, another shark.
Three sharks.
Boy, it's not even question mark yet. Bro, there was shark. Why? Not yet. I'm not ready for this.
Stop, don't get the sharks first. Not the sharks here. Not with the sharks.
Bro, what?
Help, bro. Bro, they're not even chasing you. Help me.
I can't help you when they are not chasing me, bro.
Help me.
Fight back.
I didn't fight back. You shot them.
Yeah, bro, that's what we get when we do sea event in the sea. Bro, what? Why? Just why? Why do we have a rough sea? Bro, stop being itchy. Bro, just use your V3. Oh hell nah. Yo, do you I'm cook? Do you think I'm cook? Yo, chat, do you think I'm cook? Yeah, I am cook. Are we gonna... Oh my god! We finally defeated our first... Oh. Okay. Nah, but we finally got our first terror shark.
Oh my god! We did it!
Let's go. The power of friendship is real.
Okay, I got a big time too. There's a shark over here. Okay, let's go. Run away from piranhas.
Nah, but we cannot outrun them. We got to fight.
I don't got you.
What the? I died.
They cooked me up.
Me too.
They cooked me up.
Me too, man. Where are you?
Guess I wanna see.
Okay. Nah, boy, it's too itchy. Nah.
Okay, bro. I think
We still need to do it. Never back down, never what?
I have no idea.
Never give up.
But I gave up like 5,000 times.
I never give up.
Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Spawn the boat. Alright.
This time I must spawn a flying boat because they can't get a flying boat.
Guys, Zeno is between guys.
Why I'm not?
Yeah, guys. Real story though. Actually, Zeno's friend and also my friend. He bought the boat game pass for Zeno. I don't know why. I don't know why he didn't give me. Probably because I can't track the game. Probably because I choked him. Probably because I punched him. Oh yeah. By the way, this is just false information. This is just like for fun and entertainment. Okay. So if YouTube's watching this somehow, probably never. But this is fake. This is fake. It's fake. Out.
Do you think we can find the island where Rip and Dry and King Redhead fighting arena place?
That is at the. Yo, Zira, I think you wanna stop real quick.
Why?
Look behind.
Brother. I thought you can outrun, man.
No, it's a flying, goddammit.
Then do not jump off because you can't outrun me anymore.
Go. Good boy. I said you shit on, not you on.
Caught on camera saying a ship good boy.
Yeah. Got a problem with that, bro?
Yes. By the way, guys, at 100 subscriber, I'm gonna face reveal.
Because his face is very ugly.
How dare you say that?
I'm just speaking facts, bro.
This is why I never ever gonna make a video with this guy anymore.
Yo, chill.
And also, fun fact: if you have a luxury boat, you can actually fly above the rock without damaging your ship.
Oh my god, I didn't know that.
I'm just telling to my viewers, not you.
I don't think the viewers are that dumb. Okay, fly over that rock. You're trying to fly over that rock.
What rock? Okay, bet. Wee.
You fly over it, bro. Rock. Okay, wait, medium. Medium is where we found. Where we found the terror shop. If I'm not mistaken.
No, it's high.
Oh, high. We found it at high.
Yeah, we found a shark at medium and terror shark at high. But I don't think we can be that lucky this time. Oh hell nah.
What?
Yeah, this big. Oh my god, let's go! Free money!
Oh, I can't even see anything. Everything's so red.
No. Let's go, easy money.
Easy money, bro.
What the shark? What that shark, bro? We need a lot. We need a lot of the sea event. If you know what I mean. No. Now drive the boat. Bro, just now you just now got on the boat and you let guys just jump off. You already know it's rough shit. Nah, bro, this is so scary.
Ouch. Okay. You drive.
This is not an emergency anymore, so I would drive. Whee! But before that, no!
No, are you kidding me, bro? You gotta be serious, bro. You actually have to be kidding me right now, bro.
Bro, I have ultra instinct.
But we are at extreme, and we already have 347 ship HP. We're at crazy now. Let's go on top. Then I'm gonna
No. Wow! Stop making them go there, bro. I'm trying to help, bro. Now our boat is destroyed. Nice.
because we are like my power is gone. After the series, we just kill ourselves.
Yeah, why not we just teleport back home?
We can just do that.
No. I need a lot of sea event, bro. Why do I need to go back? I'm just doing this for you know. Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's just go back and get another.
Yeah.
You know what, bro? Just use the one that has 2,500 HP, bro.
But we can't fly.
Yeah, but I'd rather have more HP than a one that nearly has 1,000 HP.
Okay.
Where the hell did you go? Over there. Okay.
Yeah, I'm coming to your place.
Over here. Are you blind? Boy, are you blind?
What? What?
Nothing.
What? What? What?
This is why I'm not friends with this guy.
Bro, what?
Get the one
Guardian.
that's that.
Lantern or guardian? Lantern or guardian? Lantern or guardian?
I think Guardian lah. I don't know what's the Guardian. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, it's this one.
What about lantern? How much is lantern?
I have Lantern.
Yeah, I know. But how much is lantern? How much HP is
Oh, I just
lantern?
got glitched out of here.
Yeah, bro. How many sea event we already do, bro? Including last time.
I just got glitched off again.
I know.
What's my...
But how many sea event we already got, including last time?
I don't know. Probably like at least 10. Probably kill at least 10. At least. Listen. At least.
No. More than 10. I think I
That's
did.
why I say at least.
I
You
did
know
more
what's
than
the
10. I did more than 10. I did more than you because I grind on block fruit without you.
Yo, bro. I just got jumped off. Again. bug.
Uh,
Leggy bug.
don't even touch anything, bro. Just let your character be. If you glitch off again, then just come back. I don't mind.
Mutant tooth.
That is from Terror Shark.
I didn't know that, bro.
Okay. I'm just telling you that, man. About how many masteries on your magma?
How much is yours?
200 something.
261.
Okay. That means we do have all the moves. It is still none, so we are safe.
No.
Yeah. Tell me if there's incoming rock in front of us.
Yo, there's a ship. There's a ghost ship. Oh, is that another ship?
But that's just another ship.
There's another ship. Almost like that was a ghost ship.
Girl ship.
The ghost ship.
Okay.
Okay, medium.
Okay, this is when the terror shark come out. I mean shark.
Oh, you come at high.
Shark come out. Okay, look. Oh hell nah. Boy, help me! Help me! I can't do anything. The light.
Why?
I can't get on it, man.
The piranhas are more annoying than the sharks.
Is there incoming rock in front of us?
Guys, if we find a terror shark, I'm just gonna say that if a terror shark shows up, it's game.
Terror shark be like I am.
But it's not showing up.
Wow, I like. Wait, I like how our ship is just 2498, even though the full health is 2499.
It's fine. If a sea beast comes, it is big.
Okay, free.
Not these guys.
Help me! Nah, bro, this guy are more annoying than Yappuccino, man. Just to tell you guys that, man, and I don't know what that means though.
I will try and solo. Do not despawn your ship, bro. I swear to God, bro.
But you have magma power.
No, that would literally decrease. That would literally reset the extreme all that shit.
Okay, just come back.
No.
Yes, just come back.
No.
We need to go together.
Let me go, Adi.
or they cook you.
Don't worry, bro. Don't worry.
You know what?
Nobody
Fine.
is. It's not an ocean. Ocean. Never mind. Never mind. There's an ocean. There's an ocean. Shut up, English.
Mm.
There's another ghost ship. I'll bring the smaller one first. Oh my god, there's so many ghost ships. This is great already, bro. This is great.
Yo, can I ask you something? Yo, can I ask you something?
What do you want?
Did I change?
What?
Like, did I change? Like last time I am like that, but this time I'm different. So did I change? Okay, but still did I change?
No, you did not. You are always just like very quiet and when we call, you are always very loud. You don't change at all.
I mean by like my attitude.
Yeah, you did not change at all.
Are you sure, man?
Can we play that rails?
No. I'm trying to get the ship right.
After we get the ship right, can we play that rails?
Yes. But it's gonna be hard.
Where the hell are you?
Oh, where the hell are you? I'm behind that thing. That where we spawn, I'm behind. The luxury boat.
You're on the other side.
But where are you? Meow, 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 meow. Guys, that guy Jaden really like to expose me.
Yeah, you want me to expose another secret?
No,
I want to actually. Because eventually I want to expose it.
no.
Alright guys, here's an
No, 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 no.
Alright guys, here's an information.
No.
Don't interrupt me. Because I accidentally left the game.
What the?
Because I'm so angry, I'm gonna expose him.
No.
So here's the thing about Zayden. Zayden literally.
Blah 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 blah.
You supposed to say it?
No,
I'm gonna say it.
no.
Guys, you know.
Blah 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 blah.
But here's the thing.
Blah.
He's not going
Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah.
Yeah, guys, I just pointed it.
Blah.
Yeah, okay.
At least they didn't hear.
Said I thought what you was so
Okay guys, now I hate this guy, bro. I hate this guy so much, man. I would even unfriend this guy. I would block this guy. I unsub this guy. Nah, but guys, I'd rather to literally make a video with RLYM other than that guy Jaden, man.
What did I do? Didn't just expose you.
Nah, bro. This is why I hate this guy so much. Nah, bro, I ain't gonna cut this out, bro. Bruh. Okay, nice. RLYM calling me. And also, guys, I'm still. And also, yeah. You just gonna that. So just guys, I hate that guy. I hate to record with that guy Jaden, man. I'm never ever even gonna record with him ever again, bruh. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this part because it's literally so boring. Okay, so we're back and we have shark. Bruh. Oh no. Okay. Is there any more? Okay, there's more. Hey yo! Get away from my boat. Very nice. back to the boring part. Okay, we're back and we have another shark. Oh, you ain't getting me. You ain't getting me, bro. There's one down. Oh no, why can't I go there? I thought I can get that magma power. Finish. We done. Okay. Okay, now we're back into a ship. A ship is attacking. Take it down. Oh, take it down. How am I not taking it down, bro? Oh, get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! That was a close call. Okay. No. It was a close call. To the boring part. Okay, we just died to the piranha. I guess this is the end of the video, guys. Bye, because I can't finish it. I can't finish it right now, but I'm gonna make a part 2 about this. So bye, guys.